my god! Wow!
So hi guys, Keener is back, and today I will be showing you another recipe for the forge. So today we will be forging weapon. First we start off with 2 Snow White, 2 Dark White, and then 2 Crimsonite. Why? Because Snow White gives slowness to the enemies. Dark White, additional damage, and the Crimsonite, I think it's about 35% damage. So let's go. Crimsonite is one of the best ores you can put in your forge material. So let's go. So what I'm hoping for to get is the chaos. So let's try and perfect them all. No skill issue. Bruh, we did not even perfect it. So okay, Cutlass. Cutlass can give sometimes a big damage, so I hope it gives big damage, pew pew damage. Let's go. It's perfect. Yes, let's go, guys. So how much damage will it get? Will it give us? Cutlass Masterwork 142, so not bad, I guess, but it's not the best. So yeah, there you go, guys. What I'm using right now is Eyesight Falchion with 203 max upgrade damage, but we got the Crimsonite Cutlass. So yeah, it's pretty good. So try it out, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow me. Thank you, guys. Bye.